Okay, here it comes. Okay, here is, let me focus you guys a bit better here. Here it is, tube magazine, we'll start with that. So it locks down and then you turn it counterclockwise and then it comes out. And then that's how that goes. I'll show you loading in a little bit. Orange tip, metal inner barrel, you got your fiber front sight there. Whole thing's made of plastic, the entire thing is made of plastic. Metal hardware around, and then you got this pivot pin here, and then of course the barrel breaks open as I showed you. Okay, here's that. And then here it is down that chamber there. Very strange loading mechanism, I think. It just says push to open, and then you would push to open. Okay. Moving back out. Here are the markings on the bottom. I believe these are just safety warnings. Oh yeah, they did intend you to unfold it. Oh, I'm not sure what purpose that would have served. Firepower 6mm, and it says, I think it says made in Taiwan on the top. Is that what it says? Oh no, it says patent pending. Right here at the top, it says patent pending. Very interesting. Fire selector, or that's the safety, not fire selector, fuck me. Okay. Here's that notch rear sight. Okay. Turning it up a little bit, I'll show you it. And then it goes right down through that see-through weaver rail, very cool touch. And then blade and notch. Blade, notch. Okay. Coming back around. God damn it. Well, anyway, you get the point. Just push this down and then So definitely much better served using a speed loader. And then I can just keep going and going and going. Let's just stick the rod on the hole like you do. And then push it all the way in gently. There we go. Now tilt it and you are good to go. Slides very easy to pump, shoots back forward on its own. Very cool. This guy shoots about 220 with a .20, and it does have a hop up, although it is fixed. But hey, that's a lot better than some of the other shotguns I've seen, especially just a lot of the Springer guns I've seen over the years in general. So that's always a super very appreciated feature. And then combined with the fact that this has the weaver rail, you're going to be able to take this gun out quite a bit further than you would some of the other spring shotguns and rifles that you'd come across. Well, there you have it. There's the Palco Firepower Intimidator 6mm shotgun, probably made by WinGun. I like this gun. I like it a lot. I like it a lot. And I guess that's really all I have to say about it. It's nothing, kind of a no-frills gun. I mean, it definitely has frills, but there's something especially unique or important about it. And there's really no history to go over here, so I really like this guy. I would recommend it. And compared to other spring shotguns, I would give it an 8 out of 10. Although I'm hesitant to say 8 instead of 7 because I have no idea what it would have cost back in the day. So thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you next time.